Welcome to part 2 of this 4-part series that we're kind of exploring all the possibilities that we can use our Nuance PDF package that we created in the last video, thanks to Geo here at Numecent. We're going to see how versatile that is and all the things it can do. So here I've just got a Windows 10 system. This has Office 365 locally installed on it. Right now, if I open up Word, for example, here, this is just a standard Word install, and I just want to show on the toolbar here I don't have any add-ins or special options. This is just kind of the out-of-the-box installation of Office 365. So I'm going to close Word for now. I'm going to go out to our self-service portal here, and this is where the Nuance Power PDF that we created in the last video, we've already uploaded that to our server. We've got it all set up for deployment. I'm just going to click OK there to load that. And shortly here we'll have a desktop icon there. So Power PDF has been virtualized on this system now. So Power PDF comes with a Word add-in. I'm going to open Word back up, and now we'll see that the add-in has in fact been added to Word here. And now I have all the Nuance Power PDF features available from that add-in. So I'm going to just create a test document here. And we're going to go into our Nuance PDF options and create a PDF. First, we got to save the document as a text file or a doc file. We're going to save that, and then it goes ahead and creates the Power PDF document for us, and that's all complete. So now if I go over here to my documents, we'll see that we have that test PDF we just created. And by default here on the Windows 10 system, IE is the application to open and view PDF files. But another thing I want to show here is all the file type associations that came with Power PDF are also here. So I can go in here and say open with Power PDF. It's going to open up that document for me, and it works like it natively does. So it's going to ask us if we want that to make the default. We'll say yes for now. It's going to ask us a bunch more questions. All right. So here's our test document. I'm going to go ahead and close that for now. I'm going to close this as well. I'm going to come back here to Word. So now the question is, okay, we've virtualized Power PDF. We've got Office locally installed. We're using that add-in. What happens if I'm using Word and either there's an update that's replacing Power PDF with a new version, or maybe it's getting devirtualized or removed from the system for some other reason? Either way, there's going to be some change there. We've got this virtualized add-in in Office, and we want to make sure that the user experience doesn't get fouled up, right? So let's go over here to our client, and this is something where users probably won't normally come in here. We're going to remove Power PDF from the system and see what happens. Okay, so we get an error message here from our software, from the Cloudpaging player, that tells us that some of the files in this Power PDF application set are being used currently by WinWord. Or Office. So it gives the user a warning there. Won't let them remove this until they stop Word, and then they can remove it. And when we go back into Office now, we'll see that the add-ins are no longer in there. So add-ins are gone. If we go back to my documents and right-click on any of these documents, all the Power PDF options are gone again. So we can add and remove all that stuff dynamically to the system. And of course, it all works like when it is virtualized on the system, it works like it's natively installed. So stay tuned for part 3. In part 3, we're going to go explore how we can deliver this same application package to multiple types of endpoints without having to change the package at all.